In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix shaky video in Canva. If you're editing a promo, a presentation, or any kind of video inside Canva, shaky footage can make the final result feel distracting and less polished. The good news is that Canva gives you a simple way to improve unstable clips without needing advanced editing experience. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open your project, apply Canva's built-in video stabilization, make playback feel smoother, clean up any edge issues, and export your finished video in high quality. Start by opening your Canva project from the homepage. Go to your recent projects and click on the video or presentation you want to work on so it opens in the editor. Once you're inside the project, move down to the timeline at the bottom of the screen and click on the video clip that looks shaky. When it's selected, you'll see a highlighted border around it. This is important because Canva needs the specific clip selected before you can apply video tools to it. Next, go to the toolbar at the top and click Edit Video. This will open the settings panel on the left side. From there, look for the Effects section and select Video Stabilization. Canva will then begin analyzing the clip and applying stabilization automatically. This process helps reduce unwanted camera shake and makes handheld footage look much more controlled. It's best to let Canva handle this first rather than cutting the clip into lots of small pieces or stacking extra effects on top. While the stabilization is working, you can also improve the overall feel of the footage through playback settings. Go back to the top toolbar and click playback. If the clip still feels a little too jerky because of quick movement, reduce the speed slightly to 0.75x or even 0.5x. Slowing the footage down can make motion feel smoother and can also give your video a more cinematic look. If you notice any black edges or slight warping around the frame after stabilization, you can fix that by cropping in a little. Double-click the video in the main preview area, then use the white corner handles to scale it up slightly so it extends just beyond the page edges. This removes those visible border issues and keeps the frame looking clean. Before exporting, do a quick alignment check. Move any text or graphic elements slightly and use Canva's alignment guides to make sure everything is centered and balanced. When you're ready, click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. Set the file type to MP4 video. Choose 1080p HD or 4K if available. Make sure all pages are selected and click Download. That's it. Your video should now look smoother, cleaner, and much more professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll